Ethan, where are you gonna go? You gonna go on the bus? Ethan, look at Mama. You go bus? Is it time for school?
No.
School. Let's go. Go sit down on the chair. Good job. What time is it? What time is it?
B.
B, yeah. Ethan, are you gonna go to school?
No.
Say school. Big boy.